So we've had a couple of little tussles, and Harriet tried to bite me through the gloves, but that was okay. She's just being a rabbit. And now they're having a little snack together. Did some good girl. Oh, take it easy, please. Of course, I'm still a little bit nervous. You can see them in the tub here. Good girls. Easy, easy, please. So now they're both asking for dominance, so I'm going to pet them at the same time. And I'm going to turn off the camera because it gets a little bit